and facilitated the release of 14 kuki detainees here on the basis that Nagas are culture people. We uphold war ethics and also we respect international law on human rights. We are also considering the commitment of the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji through Honorable CM of Nagaland, Dr. Nipurio, giving the assurance that the government will put all out effort to trace out and establish the status of the mission hostages of our 6 Nagas, and also taking into considerations all the appeals from the world community, World Baptist Alliance, Asian Baptist Christian Fellowships, Council of Naga Baptist Churches in Northeast India, NBC, Joint Nagaland Christian Forums, tribal hosts from Nagaland and across Nagaland, organizations, and many others, including the appeals of our Honorable CM of Magalia, Komrake Shamma. Further, the commitments and assurance given by the state's government of Manipur that they will put all effort and trace out the status of and establish the status of the mission hostages and produce within certain time-bound manner. With this, today, the United Naga Council, in consultations with all the stakeholders, facilitated the safe release of the 14 kuki detainees here and handed over to the district administrations, police, and security forces before the public. Thank you.